Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer relations with MetLife, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding MetLife's customer relationship management tools. Familiarize yourself with the features available in MetLife's platform. Identify your target audience by analyzing customer demographics and preferences. Gather data on existing customer interactions to pinpoint areas of improvement. Create customer segments based on behavior, needs, and engagement levels. Utilize MetLife's analytics tools to visualize customer interactions over time. Develop a strategy to enhance communication effectiveness with each segment. Implement personalized marketing campaigns tailored to the interests of specific groups. Schedule regular check-ins with clients to foster stronger connections. Train your team on MetLife's resources and best practices for client engagement. Encourage team members to share customer success stories to enhance motivation. Utilize feedback tools provided by MetLife to gauge customer satisfaction. Monitor key performance indicators regularly to assess the impact of your strategies. Adjust your approach based on analytics insights and customer feedback. Consider integrating automation tools for routine communications to save time. Stay updated on new features and updates from MetLife to continually improve your processes. Build a community around customer relationships by encouraging discussions and networking. Leverage case studies from MetLife as examples of successful customer relations practices. Aim for ongoing training and development for your team to keep skills sharp. Measure success through customer retention rates and satisfaction scores. Adapt your strategies as necessary to meet evolving customer needs and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.